Hi everyone, today I want to show you the inside of this particular heat lamp station. Here we go. That's the cover, and here is the thing here. There's a little fan down there. And you got the four big bulbs and one in the middle. I'll take them out for you. This one is 60 watts, Philips 240 volts, made in Poland. I see this one. This one here is made in, it doesn't say. This one's 240 volts, 275 watts, ventluax light bulb. You can see inside right there, guys. See how it all works in there. I'll point out to the light, just like that. See the back of it. That's the back of the light. This is actually not a light, this is a heat lamp. Now these heat up to thousands of degrees. You see the size of my hand compared to this thing? It's massive. Got all four of these, they got all the same brand. This one is a Adapt. But this whole thing is actually ventluax. Right there. Sorry, do that. Ventluax down there. Quad wide XCBW. 230 to 240 volts, 50 hertz, 1080 watts, 1180 watts, IPX2, V05392, N1683. Got the heating lamps. Use E27 up to 275 watt infrared type or equivalent. Central lamps use E27 up to 60 watt reflective type or equivalent. Whatever that means. Got that big fan too. It's massive. If we remove the rest of the bulbs, you'll be able to see the whole thing, the whole fan. Remember to be careful with these ones, because these light bulbs are so fragile, so you take it out carefully. There's 5 of them in total. 1, 2, 3, 3. So we got 4 big ones. Plus we got this little mate here. That's the central light bulb that goes right in the center of the fan. And these 2 big ones go all the way around of this part right here. Now we got access to the fan. It's spins perfectly good. Spins perfect. See how fast I can get it to spin. Oh, that's pretty fast. If you look at the effect on the screen, that is weird. Wow, that thing is quick. Sorry if the picture shape is a little bit strange because I got it set to a different mode. Oh, sorry, it's just the springs. The only way to do that is just to do that. Ooh. Just like at Damian's house, he's got a white light there, say, in your bathroom, eh? You got heat lamps in your room, right? In your thing?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's weird. Anyway, let's stop playing around. And let's flip this over. If you're wondering what that is to allow the thing to breathe. If you can see the motor on top. So this is where the blade is, and when it's blowing air, it comes straight out here, and then out into the other parts. This is where all the wires are hooked up. Before obtaining access to terminals, all supply circuits must be disconnected. And yeah, that's what it has to say, obviously. It looks like a dish. Plastic one though. Plus, if you got this is for the light bulbs to fit into. Just like that. It's simple. And you got this right out like that. That's where the wires connect. Let's take it out real careful. We don't want to damage it. That was close. I think this one's good. What about this one? That one's good, I think. Yeah, that's all connected in there. Those two are good. This one's good. This one's not because it's blown. See a little thing flexing in there? That's the filament, which is supposed to be connecting with the rest of the others. I'll zoom out a little bit, you'll be able to see the whole circuitry in there. Just right in there, that is where it all connects. just all around there. But yeah, these ones are pretty rare. We are starting to replace them with more of like LED common ones. LEDs are extremely common. It just sits in there like that. Not like this, but the other way around. Yeah. That part just sits in there like that. That's how it all goes in like that. Ooh, that was close. So, yeah, and I will show you how it all goes together now. First up, you line the things up with little sockets here. Then you get your spring. You put it out like that. And the same with the next one. Ooh. Get the hook of your string and do that. And you do that, and there's no way it's going to come apart again, and the fan is completely secure. It's like that. And then I put the middle one in first because that is the most important one. Oh, and yes, this one is blown. This one's almost done. All done. Make sure they're nice and tightened. Perfect. And that's what it looks like when it's all put back together. That's how it all spins in there. Ooh. This gives you an idea of how it spins when in operation. Right guys, that's about the end of this video. If you did enjoy, please subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, and there's Damien.
Stop.